सर ये वाली न्यूमेटिक 310 मॉडल है। ये जो होती है ये प्रेशर के लिए होती है, यहाँ पकड़ने के लिए, और ये ब्लेड के लिए होती है। अगर ये होती है क्या मतलब इसको इधर करते हैं, अगर इसको बाहर साइड लाएंगे, इस साइड आएगी तो मतलब ये अंदर पास आएंगे। अगर ये अंदर जाएगी तो ये दूर दूर होंगे। और this one for the adjustment of the capping of the holding of the wire, like that you have to hold it, this one to this one. So it means you have to like that lose it, and for coming to place at a time, मतलब दोनों एक साथ एक आएंगे. This one is closer, then you have to put back. This one right hand side you have to, and if you have to far away, this one far away, you have to tight it. Okay, for like that the same condition होगी. अगर blade को पास लाना है, if you have to closer the blade, you should have to move right hand side, and if you have to means far away the blade, so you have to tight it. Okay, from the back end there is a compressor pipe is attached. यहाँ पे compressor pipe attached है, you have to attach it. और ये है सिलेंडर की स्ट्रोक की लेंथ. इसको हम करते हैं, इसका हम अगर ये इसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इसको हम लूज़ करते हैं तभी हमारा सिलेंडर मूवमेंट होगा. यू हैव टू, ये हम पीछे साइड करते हैं तो ये सिलेंडर लेंथ बढ़ती है. फिर इसके लिए ये एक हमारी डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है कि मतलब दे हैव टू मीन्स लाइक दैट 25 mm 10 mm, एंड यू हैव टू चेंज लाइक if we have to do at 25 mm, so you have to lose it and then scroll it and do it here, so then it will be do at 25 mm. Like that same position is come, and one foot pedal is attached from here, back end side. There is a foot pedal is attached. Okay, and now we are running it. It is not done it, तो we have to do. ये अभी कर नहीं रहा है तो हम इसको ब्लेड हम देखो ब्लेड, because it has not done a stripping. You do see it. Doing too much, so you have to tight it. You can see that. So done perfectly. Again one. Just turn it. So like that you have to do it.
I'm standing here.
You can see that. परफेक्ट. तो मीन्स अगर आपको ये करना है तो इस पोर्शन को क्लोज़र लाने के लिए यू हैव टू लूड क्लोज़र, यू हैव टू फार अवे for opening the bolt and far away, and if you have to tight, if you have to far away this one, so you have to closer. Same thing apply for the blade and for the holding, and then after there will be a scroller here come, and then it can be do it. इस तरह scroller को आप लेके आएंगे for the adjustment of the length, and up to 10 to 12 mm OD can do it. Up to 100 is capacity is up to 100 mm length. Up to 100 mm length it can do it. This is for the stroke. Here is the squat position. Here is the foot pedal and compressor pipe. Okay. Thank you.